Congratulations on your purchase of the Copper Chef Smart Cooker. With this amazing cooking tool, anyone can cook like a chef because it does the thinking and the cooking for you. First, let's take it out of the box and make sure you have all parts and accessories. Your box should include the Smart Cooker base unit with intelligent control panel, the Copper Chef pan with induction plate, the tempered glass cook and look lid, the instruction or owner's manual, and the magnetic power cord. Check your Smart Cooker base. Under the control panel, you will also find the spillover collection tray. It's important when using your Smart Cooker to pull this tray out slowly so it doesn't spill. Now, remove all packing materials, tape, bags, and stickers to get your Copper Chef Smart Cooker ready to cook. It's a good idea to gently wash out the Copper Chef pan and the glass lid to make sure the surfaces are clean and debris-free. Please note, never submerge the Smart Cooker base unit in water or liquid. It's an electrical appliance and water or liquid can damage it. Now, put your Copper Chef Smart Cooker base unit on a heat-resistant flat surface. Never place your Smart Cooker unit on a stovetop. Insert the copper pan into the base unit in the cavity designed to hold it. Place the tempered glass lid on top of the pot. Insert the magnetized female end of the power cord into the base unit. Insert the male end of the power cord into a dedicated electrical outlet. And now you're ready to cook. We'll review the operation of your Copper Chef Smart Cooker in the next video.